Everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're going to be doing the next break, and that is going to be a Series 1 94-95 Upper Deck box. So I'm actually not very well versed with this box's set. I want to say Jason Kidd and Grant Hill potentially rookies come out of this one. Could be wrong. And obviously, as the image shows in the box, you know, like usual, you want Michael. So that's kind of a given almost every time in these older boxes. But anyway, it looks like you get 12 cards per pack. Each card is holographically enhanced, so look for special inserts with a silver or gold signature card in every pack. Okay, that's kind of cool. So yeah, let's get to breaking and see what comes out of this box. It is factory sealed, as you can see, so definitely enjoy buying the factory sealed ones if you can get them, just because you know they haven't been tampered with. And I don't know, my experience so far with these boxes is the cards are on the average better as well. So we'll see if that holds true with this one also. And opening it, here's the pack. So it looks like you got it's John Stockton on the front of some, and I'm not 100% sure. That's not Michael, so I don't know who that is. But anyway, here we go, and let's get to opening. Let's see if I'm gonna have problems. All right, first pack. And we have a Johnny Newman, Dale Davis, Lindsey Hunter, Michael Adams. Looks like I'm going to be doing a lot of this. Joe Dumars. What do we have here? First signature. And it is a BJ Armstrong. So I assume these are like laser signatures. I don't know if these are the actual signatures, but still pretty cool though. Let's see, I'll put the signature aside right there. David Benoit, Doug Christie, Mike Peplowski, some sort of special tip-offs. Who is that? Oh, Dikembe Mutombo. Oh, that's cool. Put him over here. And then we have a Sean Kemp, cool card. And lastly, a Vin Baker. So, all right. It's going to get everything started. So, BJ signature, Sean Kemp, and Dikembe Mutombo. What looks to be some sort of special cards. And, yeah. Definitely going to be interesting to see what comes out of this set. Alright, Stacey King, Lindsey Hunter again, a Muggsy Bogues signature card, Chris Smith, let's see, Randy Brown, Chris Webber. It's a cool card. Let's put him here. Actually, I think we'll put him here. I'm not sure what Chris's rookie is, but I don't think it's this year, but yeah. Don McLean, Kevin Johnson, Eric Riley, got a Jamal Mashburn, that's a cool player. Let's see, Dennis Rodman, and a Isaiah Ryder. Okay, cool pack. Cards are pretty cool, I will say that. Next one up. Todd Day. LaFonso Ellis. Turn these around. Dale Davis. Kevin Edwards. Looks like a Mookie Blaylock. Michael Williams, Chris Morris, Malcolm Key, Tony Kukoc. Wow, cool card. Let's put him here with Chris. What do we got? Mark Price. A checklist. And a signature card of Tom Gugliotta? Yeah, Gugliotta. All right. Cool packs. I don't know if there's like a Michael Jordan signature you can get in this. I mean, I assume that's possible, but I guess we'll find out. It's going to get a little annoying with having to turn over so many cards, but I guess it is what it is. Lucius Harris, Dan Marjorie, Clarence Witherspoon, Sean Kemp, super cool. Let's see, Rex Walters, Frank Brickowski, Irvin Johnson, Bobby Hurley. Let's see, what do we got? David Benoit, Charles Barkley, Collector's Choice, cool. Who's this? Yeah, Hakeem Olajuwon. And a Mitch Richmond signature. Man, these packs are tough to open. There we go. Okay, on to the next. Turn that around. Ed Pinckney, Finn Baker, David Robinson. Nice. James Worthy. Let's see. Sherman Douglas. Ennis Wintley. Richard Petruska. Bimbo Coles. Antonio Harvest. Excuse me, Antonio Harvey. This looks to be one of the signature cards. Checklist. Who do we got? We got Reggie. Yeah, Reggie Miller and a D Brown. All right. I'll be honest. I have no idea if any of these cards are going to be more special or worth anything. I'm gonna have to check all that out later. All right, let's go back to cutting because I'm a bit perplexed by these cards. Or by these packs, I should say. Not super easy to open. Okay, Nick Anderson, Mahmoud Abdul-Rauf, Anthony Hardaway. Oh, that's cool. And let's see, 93, 94. I guess this must be a second-year Anthony Hardaway card. I'm not 100% sure, but Isaiah Ryder, Chris Mills, Frank Brickowski signature, Charles Oakley, Thurl Bailey. Let's see what we got here. Hoop it up. Interesting card. Checklist. Ron Harper. Is that? Yeah, Ron Harper and a Alonzo. Oh, Alonzo Mourning. Cool. Early days. Although he missed 22 games, Mourning still managed. Yeah, it looks like he was injured the year before. Huh. Well, cool to get an Alonzo Mourning. So, yeah, let me put that one aside. All right. Let's do the scary thing and cut it with scissors. All right, we have Felton Spencer, Sean Brooks, Spud Webb signature. Let's Turn that around. Chris Mills again. Isaiah Ryder, Grant Long from the Heat. Tyrone Corbin, Anthony Bonner, Doug Christie. What do we got? Yeah, Shaquille O'Neal. Sweet. Very cool card. Let's put that here. Tip off. Oh, we'll do the tip offs over here. Charles Barkley and Sean Kemp. The profile, interesting card. Huh. Definitely a lot of interesting cards in this box, that is for sure. So far, no Michaels. Latrell Sprewell, and yeah, he looks like a few 30-year maybe. Cool card though. Derek Coleman, Popeye Jones, Avery Johnson. Let's turn this around. Terry DeHare, Rod Strickland, Bimbo Coles. Let's see who we got here. Urban Johnson, Kevin Duckworth, signature card. These guys have some interesting signatures. Is that Carl? Yeah, Karl Malone tip-off. Another Shaq tip-off, nice. And a checklist. I'm gonna have to just double check really quick, so hold on 1 second, guys, because I'm kind of curious. The deal with Shaquille O'Neal might be. Let's see. O'Neal. Let's see. What number is it? It is number 184. Let's see. I don't know if anyone ever does this mid video, but I'm gonna be checking the card really quick. And okay, yeah, I'm not 100% sure about this card, but guess I'll hold on to it there for now and then sleeve it after. Okay, on to the next pack. All right, we got Byron Houston, John Sally, Derek Coleman, Scott Haskin, Xavier McDaniel, Steve Smith signature card, Bobby Hurley, Richard Petruska. Who's this guy? Slam dunk competition card, huh? Tip off with Tom Gugliotta. Okay. 76ers. Clarence Weatherspoon. And, oh, Michael Jordan. Playing golf. Well, no idea about this card, but let's go ahead and sleeve the golf Michael Jordan card. I guess he switched over sports. It's interesting. Alright, on to the next card. Next pack. Sorry, getting a little shaky there for a second. Okay, George Lynch, Christian Laettner, and you get 2 Christian Laettners in a row? Oh, that's crazy. It's cool. Huh. Yep. Oh, one's a signature. Nice. Looks like we got one signature Laettner and then one just normal Laettner. Huh. James Robinson, John Concock, Greg Anthony, Terrell Brandon, Will Purdue, Bobby Hurley, Shaquille O'Neal, Let's see, 205. Who's this guy? Danny Manning and Nick Van Wexel. You know what? I'm actually gonna go ahead and sleeve. I guess the Shaqs. Shaq's getting pretty hot these days. Seems like that's maybe, especially somewhat early Shaqs might be good to do this with. Alright, let me get the other one. Where is that other Shaq? There it is. And you know what? A Christian Laettner sign card sounds kind of cool, so I'm not sure what the deal is with this, but let's sleeve that too. Alright. On to the next. Put these here. Alright. Mitch Richmond, Johnny Newman, Byron Houston, Johnny Dawkins, Kendall Gill, Harold Miner, cool card. My boy Harold. Allen Houston, John Williams, Tyrone Korb. What is this? Let's see. Oh, Larry Houston. That's cool. Rookie of the year. I think I'll put that over here just because it's a cool looking card. And another D Brown. And what do we got here for the signature? Oh, Sean Kemp signature. That's pretty cool. I'm like super confused what the deal with these signatures are. I gotta double check on these if they're like more special. Alright. On to the next pack. Oh, looks like we got a cool card coming up. Jamal Mashburn. Let's put that here for now. Actually, we'll put that here for now. What is this? So this is a Ken Norman, some sort of gold card. Pretty cool looking. Pretty off-centered. Maybe a little corner wear too, but pretty cool looking card. So I think we'll go ahead and sleeve that. Get some more sleeves out. I'd love to get like one of these gold cards, but like you know, Shaq or Jordan or something. Sam Castle. Let's see, Rodney Rogers. What is this? God, there's some interesting cards in this pack. Mark Price, and it's just something unique about, I guess, him having a lot of assists. So pretty cool. I'll put that aside, but I'm not going to sleeve it just yet. BJ Armstrong, Rich King. No idea what this is. Winner. Instant winner card. Corey Blount signature. Chris Webber. Cool. I don't think that's 1994. I wonder if this is his rookie year. NBA draft selected by Orlando. Golden State acquired the rights to Webber. Huh. Yeah, I'll have to check if that's a rookie card for him. Let's see. Profile. Huh. Alright, and we got a Alonzo Mourning. Cool card. And Steve Smith. Alright. Moving along. Well, so far super impressed with these cards. I really had no idea what to expect, but this gold sign card is really cool. don't know the player very well, but the card is, yeah, pretty interesting. So, Chris Mullin. 2 Chris Mullins. Okay. I'll take 2 Chris Mullins. Let me put tip-off card over here. What do we got? A Lucius Harris, Danny Ferry, Scott Burrell. Let's see. Ooh, Dikembe Mutombo. Signature card. I'm gonna go ahead and sleeve that. It's a cool player to get a signature card from. And it's pretty nicely centered. Everything else looks pretty nice too. John Williams, Rich King, AC Green, Patrick Ewing, pro tip card. Put those back there. Scottie Pippen, cool card, and a Jamal Mashburn. I think I'll keep him in here. Yeah, I'm not 100% sure what the deal with Jamal is, but name rings a bell. Sounds like a better player to me. Like I recognize it. I don't recognize it a lot, but I recognize it. Byron Houston. Get these more in. Latrell Sprewell. Put him aside. John Sally. Sherman Douglas. James Worthy. David Wesley. Hold on 1 second. And let's see. AC Green. Eric Riley. Kevin Johnson. Clarence Weatherspoon. And Clyde Drexler tip-off card. And a Clarence Weatherspoon signature. I think we might have got one of those already, but I'm not 100% sure. Which I'm sure there will be duplicates. Okay. Jeff Malone. Pete Myers. Derek McKee signature. Xavier McDaniel. Donald Royal. Steve Smith. Mike Peplowski. Interesting card. Chris Morris. Who do we got here? Will Purdue. Kenny Anderson. Another Scottie Pippen tip-off. And a, let's see, Nick Van Exel. All right. Put those over there. Off to some more packs. Okay, moving on. Derek McKee, Dennis Scott, AC Earl, Rod Strickland, Stacey Augmon, another Stacey Augmon. It's funny you get 2 in a row sometimes in this box. Thurl Bailey. Hoop it up with a bunch of guys I don't recognize. Oh, Michael Jordan, signature card. Pretty cool. I guess he's not playing basketball in this set. He must have been off sport by now and doing other stuff, because clearly he's not playing basketball in any of these cards. But Jordan signature, that's pretty cool. It's a cool card. Scottie Pipp again. Patrick Ewing and Derek Coleman. All right. Let's put these over here. Oh, that's interesting. Huh. 23. Pretty good golfer. Michael Jordan. I don't know if he would shoot scratch, but I think he did. I think he was. I mean, I don't know if he would shoot that consistently, but pretty sure he was a really good. Or he is a really good golfer. He was one, yeah. All right, Spud Webb. Let's turn this around. Derek Hopper. Another Alonzo. Taking Alonzo Mourning. Cool card. Grant Long. Michael Williams. What do we got? What's the signature? Darnell Mee. Bimbo Coles. Carl Herrera. Let's see. Loy Yacht. Alonzo Mourning tip-off. Let's see, we got a Chris Webber. I think this is a rookie once again. I'm not 100% sure, but and a Patrick Ewing. I guess I'll go ahead and sleeve this. I feel like Chris was the year before because it's saying on the back of the card that he was in the 93 draft. So I don't know if this is a rookie, but anyway, yeah. Guess I'll sleeve it for now just in case. I might have got another one that I didn't sleeve, but that's fine. I'll go back. All right, Sam Castle, Scottie Pippen, a little different than the other cards. His base card, I guess. Sean Rooks, Rex Walters, James Robinson, Tony Campbell. Let's see, Nate McMillan, Tony Kukoc, 93, 94. Yeah, cool card. Calbert Cheney signature, Charles Barkley. We got Mitch Richmond and a Dennis Rodman. All right. So actually, you know what, guys? Looks like we're maybe about or almost halfway through. It's kind of late. I'm pretty tired, so I think I'm gonna call this round one for this Series 1 94-95 Collector's Choice Upper Deck box. So it's gonna be round one. I'll do another video and finish the box off. Call that round two. That'll obviously be the next video, so it'll be back to back. But yeah, thanks for joining me on this one. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and you know, definitely look forward to getting any thoughts on any of the cards I got or anything. So please comment on that, and please come back and check out the next box breaks that I do. So thanks again for checking out Vintage Card Breaker, and I will see you later. Bye.